On the old waterway, the kids are at play. Out on the timbered tide, just the grey old canal, but to Mike and his pals, the logs were a fair-ground ride. Playground, just a playground, always was, evermore will be. But the playground is the same sleighing ground which stole my gold away from me. So now I must say, no Michael can play today or indeed again. And I'll warn all his pals about the canal, but I know it won't alter them. Playground, just a playground, always was, evermore will be. But the playground is the same sleighing ground which stole my gold away from me. Playground, just a playground, always was, evermore will be. But the playground is the same sleighing ground which stole my gold away from me.
Tradesmen and sailors join the line if you would earn a shilling. Ships will set sail from time to time, and if you're strong and willing, you might be one of the lucky ones, if you can call it luck, to be at sea on a rotting hulk, all for a lousy buck. Able men, 10 by 10, standing on the pier like a human rubbish dump. And they say the only way of getting out of here is when you do the pierhead jump.
Ship ahoy,
Ship ahoy,
ship ahoy,
ship ahoy,
carpenter,
carpenter,
cabin boy.
Steel yourself and be prepared to get out of the slum. And when they call your trade, just jump. Do you see the charabanc filled with smiling faces? We're all off to Ely Gang, come on, take your places. Cowbridge Road will be packed, no doubt, horses weaving in and out, hustle bustle all about for a day at the races. Taradiddle, taradiddle, taradiddle-ay-ay, taradiddle, taradiddle, taradiddle-ay-ay. Jugglers and a silver band welcome us at the entry to the stands, now ain't it grand, mixing with the gentry. Alma's backing a right old moke, watch her money go up in smoke. Will we go home stony broke? The Spencer's Elementary.
Tar-a-diddle, 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 I-hey. Tar-a-diddle, 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 I-hey.
Bookies, tricksters, rogues and thieves, gentlemen from the forces, lords and lasses making sport, picnics on the courses. Some come here to win or lose, some to steal and some to booze. There's a rumour no one's proved that some even come for the horses.
Tar-a-diddle, tar-a-diddle,